Hey,
Text him and be like, "Where's the converter at?" Oh boy, it's dead.
Okay, I just pulled that out of my car, and that is supposed to be my muffler. What the fuck? It's no wonder. No wonder. Can I start my car with it like that?
Yeah. Let's hear what it sounds
Hold on.
like.
I gotta plug it back in.
Hurry, I gotta take a leak again.
Oh my god.
I'm drinking all the soda. Where's my soda?
Okay. Okay.
Now I should be able to just go. Wait. I should see. Let me look inside there, make sure there's nothing in there. Actually, just go. It'll blow it right out. There's some gas. Bad face. Come on. Give me gas.